Heavy-duty sliders bring deep storage right to your fingertips. That bag acts as a mechanical lever to lift the tractor out of the sand hole instantly. It's like playing a piano but with cash. Incredible hand-eye coordination. They use a cable-guided power trowel to finish the wet concrete on a steep incline efficiently. It's like an iron, but for heavy steel. It squeezes out the wrinkles and makes it useful again. These machines use GPS and precision sensors to ensure every roll is exactly the same thickness, making the final lawn perfectly level. Keeping the root ball intact is mandatory for survival, maintains the tree's internal water balance during transport. Reduced length means 50% better turning radius, navigating tight forest paths like a pro, Drones are revolutionizing firefighting in China, providing a faster and safer way to combat high-rise fires. Peterson JAPS 170, a specialized grapple truck for heavy debris and log removal. Industrial suction meets high-volume storage. It shreds as it collects for maximum efficiency. Airblast technology creates a vortex that flips every leaf, ensuring the medicine reaches the back side. It's a remote-controlled snowblower, clears tons of snow without putting weight on a fragile roof. Standing in front and using body weight as a natural brake is the only way to manage such high inertia safely. From green to white in 8 seconds. Automatic sensors ensure precision peeling without wasting the meat.
Đẹp tuyệt vời.
It lifts up to 10 tons with zero physical contact. Turn the power on to grab, turn it off to drop. A silicone head picks up ink from a flat plate and molds itself onto the curved ceramic to transfer the design perfectly. Up to 100 meters in radius, high pressure and precision nozzles turn a single water source into a massive rain circle. He has officially redefined the meaning of a master chef.
I don't know about you guys, but that is cool. No place like a Consumer Electronics Show to see a guy.
He makes 5 tons look like 5 grams. Smooth operator in a yellow steel suit.
Here it goes.
Daewoo Solar, 175 LCV, thousands of PSI in hydraulic pressure making brick walls look like paper.
Here we go, here we go.
They move fast by using momentum and sliding the crates on the smooth truck floor instead of lifting them vertically. It measures, saws with a hydraulic chain, and splits with a 20-ton ram in one continuous motion. motorized piston force and high-grade stainless steel blades, it pushes the potato through a grid to create uniform strips in seconds. Metal memory and torsional stress. Just give them a little nudge in the direction they want to go. It requires high wrist strength and a deep understanding of weight distribution to move that many plates safely.
Viral. Mal ঢুকলে viral. কথাই বলো। মাল ঢুকছে viral. প্লেট দুটো নিলো viral.
Think of it as a giant hairdryer that blows medicine instead of hot air. It makes sure even the leaves at the very top get their vitamins. Think of it as a hammock for work. No more sore knees or aching backs at the end of the day. The deeper the roots, the more leverage you need. Find the right tool for the job. Fast tripping prevents the drill string from getting stuck in high-pressure mud.